Hi everyone, I am Nikta Shiny, having roll number 21BQ10517. Today I was going to discuss about the routing algorithm. In this session, we are going to see an introduction about the routing algorithm, how the routing algorithm is classified, differences between the adaptive and non-adaptive routing algorithms, and we are just finalizing and a summary of this routing algorithm. First of all, let us get into the introduction about this routing algorithm. In order to transfer the packets from source to the destination, the network layer must determine the best route through which packets can be transmitted. Whether the network layer provides datagram service or virtual circuit service, the main job of the network layer is to provide the best route. The routing protocol provides this job. The routing protocol is a routing algorithm that provides the best path from the source to destination. The best path is the path that has at least cost path from source to the destination. Routing is a process of forwarding the packets from source to the destination, but the best route to send the packets is determined by routing algorithm. Here's the classification about the routing algorithm. The routing algorithm is classified into two types, that is adaptive routing algorithm and the non-adaptive routing algorithm. Let us see the adaptive routing algorithm. An adaptive routing algorithm is also known as dynamic routing algorithm. This algorithm makes the routing decisions based on the topology and network traffic. This is the reason why it is called as dynamic routing algorithm. The main parameters related to this algorithm are hop count, distance, estimated transit time. An adaptive routing algorithm can be classified into three parts, and the first part is known as centralized algorithm. It is also known as global routing algorithm as it computes the least cost path between source and destination by using complete and global knowledge about the network. This algorithm takes the connectivity between the nodes and link cost as input, and this information is obtained before actually performing any calculation. Link state algorithm is referred to as a centralized algorithm since it is aware of cost of each link in the network. Isolation algorithm. The second part of the classification in adaptive routing algorithm is isolation algorithm. Isolation algorithm, it is an algorithm that obtains the routing information by using local information rather than gathering information from other nodes. Distributed algorithm is also known as decentralized algorithm as it computes the least cost path between source and destination in an iterative and distributed manner. In the decentralized algorithm, no node has the knowledge about the cost of all network links. In the beginning, a node contains the information only about its own directly attached links, and through an iterative process of calculation, computes the least cost path to the destination. A distance vector algorithm is a decentralized algorithm as it never knows the complete path from source to destination. Instead, it knows the direction through which the packet is to be forwarded along with the least cost path. Non-adaptive routing algorithm. Non-adaptive routing algorithm is also known as static routing algorithm. When booting up the network, the routing information stores to the roots. Non-adaptive routing algorithms do not take the routing decisions based on network topology or network traffic, but the adaptive routing algorithms take the decisions based on the network topology or network traffic. Non-adaptive routing algorithm is classified into two types: flooding and random walks. Flooding. In case of flooding, every incoming packet is sent to all the outgoing links except the one from it has been reached. The disadvantage of flooding is that node may contain several copies of a particular packet. But in case of random walks, a packet sent by the node to one of its neighbors randomly. An advantage of using random walks is that it uses the alternative routes very efficiently. Let us see the differences between the adaptive and non-adaptive routing algorithms. When it comes to the definition, adaptive routing algorithm is an algorithm that constructs the routing table based on network conditions. But when it comes to non-adaptive routing algorithm, it constructs the static table to determine which node to send the packet. And the routing algorithm is used as dynamic routing. And the non-adaptive routing algorithm is a static routing algorithm. Routing decisions are made based on topology and network traffic in adaptive routing algorithm, and non-adaptive routing algorithm that takes decisions based on the static tables that was made, which node to send the packet. Categorization. The types of adaptive routing algorithms are centralized, isolation, and distributed algorithm. In non-adaptive routing algorithm, they are classified into two types. Those are flooding and random walks. When it comes to the complexity, adaptive routing algorithms are more complex and adaptive routing algorithms are simple. And when it comes to the summary, a routing algorithm is a procedure that lays down the route or path to transfer data packet from source to destination. They help in directing internet traffic efficiently. After the data packet leaves its source, it can choose among the many different paths to reach its destination. Routing algorithm mathematically computes the best path, that is, least cost path that the packet can be routed. In this taking routing, we use two routing algorithms, adaptive and non-adaptive. If the paths are static, then we use the non-adaptive routing algorithms. If we know that it is going to be dynamic, then we use the adaptive routing algorithm. Thank you.